Hello guys, you're welcome back again on the Beton's Crypto. Today I want to show you guys how I do spot trading on Bybit and Binance. Recently I've been doing lots of trading on Bybit, particularly. Binance was it was before. I do trading on Bybit because the fees are so cheap and it's easy to use. Of course, Binance is also easy to use if say you are using your phone. So this is the interface of Binance Port trading. You can also trade you can also trade spot on Binance using your computer. But I'm going to show you guys how you can go about, or how I go about, trading spot on Binance and Bybit. Simple. The most simplest way. I use TradingView first to analyze my chart, to look at what is going on in the market, look at demand and supply. Once I identify demand and supply, then I go on Binance or Bybit to start trading. If say you want to do the same, you can go below this video and you're gonna find links to join Binance or Bybit to start trading spot on on this platform. Now, what I do, guys, is I always, like, for example, look at these zones here. This is BTC. Before BTC pumped, this area, these areas here were like you can call it identification zone, accumulation zone, like these zones here. Let me draw a line, a circle here, so you can see it perfectly. So this was accumulation zone. Let me see. Okay, this zone here was accumulation zone. Investors were accumulating in this zone here, and before that we saw this pump here, because the market was going still sideways, and we saw this upward movement here. The market tried to move upward at this area, and it was rejected back, and start moving again sideways until recently, like 1 week ago, or let's say at the beginning of January. We saw this huge buy, and this huge pump is considered as demand. There was more demand in the market, and when the market is going down, it means investors are dumping the coin in the market, which means there's more supply. So consider a downward trend as supply, and an upward trend as demand. And guys, if say you are joining here for the first time, this is the Button Crypto. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. If say you do, it's gonna help this channel reach out to more people out there. I appreciate if say you're gonna hit that bell button, or maybe you like this content. I want to see more thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Now, like, for example, you can see again, before this form, this was accumulation zone or consolidation zone. Let me draw this circle again so you can see this zone here. In demand and supply, you don't want to buy during this zone. You want to wait for breakout. And if say this happen, you're gonna try to look for a target. And what I do to look for a target is I use the Fibonacci retracement, or maybe I come here and I look, okay, from this zone here, this pump, for example. Let me show you guys something here. From this zone here, this was where we saw massive upside, right? From this zone to this zone, yeah. Let's see how many. Okay, so you can do it like this as well. From where it start consolidating, you can take this and then take this again, go there. You can see it's almost accurate. After the before the before it's almost accurate on the next pump, right? You can see here, if say I zoom, this is a 4 hour time frame anyways. So you can see here, I think Bitcoin might even get to 24,000. Yeah, we might get to 24,000, because if say it pump as what it did last time, then we're gonna see it at that 24,000 price point. But let me say, for example, if say this is difficult for you, you can also do it this way. So you get maybe something really accurate to an extent. Well, there's no accuracy here anyways, but maybe you want something that might give you like proper understanding of like where the price might go. So you can do this, like this. Then you draw this here, take it here, go there. So you can see it's almost the same. You can see here is the same, like almost the same. So you can do it again this way. So if say Bitcoin breaks, we're gonna see either it goes to 25,000 or 24 something. So that's gonna be the next target for Bitcoin. And if say you realize, okay, after doing your TA year, you have identified demand and supply, you go to Binance Port, yeah, you're gonna see different other book. The other book here are representing buy and sell. The green, I think the green is representing buy, while the red is representing sell. So you can see you have limit order, you have market order, you have stop limit order. I always go with market order. So I place the trade at the market order, but you can also always place limit order. Limit order is when you are buying in advance, so you anticipate that the market might go to the upside. For example, let's say if this is quant, okay, let's go to BTC. I was doing TA on BTC, so let's just go back on BTC and see what this might give us. So let's say you're about to do this on BTC, and BTC might, let's say it's gonna break to the upside. You might place a buy order, from, let's say, 23,400, something like that. And if say you can place a limit order to buy Bitcoin at that price point, and if say Bitcoin hit that price point, your order will be filled, right, and it will trade right up to the level where you're going to take out profit. And in this case, you can put a tight stop loss. Always put a stop loss, when you are trading here. So you can put a stop loss here at this 22.8 84, just below this. This is a 1 hour time frame, so that if say Bitcoin is breaking structure, then you're going to take out maybe a slight loss, right? But if say you don't put a stop loss here, you might end up losing money. So if say you place a buy, if say you place a buy order here and the order is filled, make sure you come and place a sell order here as well. So if say Bitcoin is breaking, then you're going to sell Bitcoin at this price point, and also you can place a take profit. And to do this, you can come to at the right section. You're going to see sell here. You're going to either, if say you want to do a limit order, then you click on the limit order, then it will take you here. You can place the limit order, and if you want to place a stop limit order, I'm going to do a video on all this, so you can understand how to do limit order. If say you don't know how to do this, you can comment below, say you don't know how to do this, and ask me or request a video purposely for that. Or you can join my Telegram group. I am doing I think every day I'm doing this training for people who want to learn to invest and trade in cryptocurrency. I have a WhatsApp group, so you can either join my Telegram group or reach out to me through my social platforms, and I'm going to send you the link to join the Telegram group, the WhatsApp group, so you can be part of the studies as well. But this is how I go about. I make sure, because guys, when you are doing spot trading, you are buying at the spot price. That means at the market price. There's no futures. Futures is you're anticipating that the price might go to the upside, and if say it doesn't go to the upside, you might lose a lot of money. But spot trading, you are actually buying at the market price, like the real price. There's no like options and something like that. So you are actually, well, to an extent, let's say you are actually owning that Bitcoin or the crypto that you are buying. But if say you do futures or derivative, you are actually borrowing money to buy in advance. But in this case, you are buying with the money you have. That's why you can see here, like for example, of course, you can do borrow cost 3x or isolated 10x, on spot trading, but this is for advanced traders. I just want you guys to keep it simple. If you keep it simple, you're gonna make money. For example, there's an indicator that I want to show you guys on how I go about doing this. Like for example, this is Bitcoin again. I trade more with the 21 EMA, 20 EMA, the Bollinger Band, 100 EMA, 50 EMA, and 200 EMA. Like right now, if say I bring the 21 EMA, see that looking at the 4 hours time frame, Bitcoin is trading above the 21 EMA. And if say I bring the 50 EMA, you're gonna see that the 50 EMA is still below, and Bitcoin might come to retest to touch that 50 EMA before maybe pulling back to the upside. And if say I look at the 100-day EMA, you're gonna see that it's still below, and the 200-day EMA is also below here, the red sign. So if Bitcoin can come right down to this level that I mentioned last time, it can come from, I think that this is from the demand zone, or I mean the demand zone. It can come right down here to retest this zone before going back to the upside. So you guys want to be looking at this zone here. This is another zone here. If say Bitcoin break this zone, it might get to where I told you guys. So look at this zone here. There might be a pump anytime soon. You can be looking at this zone here, and when you see a breakout here, then you can place a buy order and put a stop loss close here, because if say Bitcoin break this structure, is gonna go back, to retest this resistance, this support below here. And I do this using support and resistance more. Support and resistance is one of my best, indicator that I use to determine when to buy, because it's easy. I don't want to be I don't want to stress myself to like put so many indicators on my chart that will confuse me. I want to take it, make it simple always for me, so I can easily identify where the market is going and where I can sell. The reason why you want to, make sure you are doing this, you have take out profit and stop loss. For example, see, look at this chart here. This is a trade that is ongoing right now on Bybit, and I'm doing this for Sweatcoin. Look at this pump here. If I show you guys the 15-minute time frame, you're gonna see there was a huge pump here. And let me refresh this a little bit, reload this a little bit. There was a huge pump there, and we saw a pullback. Look at this pump here, and immediately we saw a pullback. But if say I look at the 4 hours time frame, we're gonna see that it's still forming. It's trying to make higher highs here, and I'm gonna wait until this 4-hour candle is closed to determine if say we are gonna see an uptrend or not. But this zone is so crucial for Sweatcoin, because you can see if, there was a pump here, at this level, and we saw a pullback right to this level here. Let me draw this so you can see clearly. And sellers push the price right down, and you see buyers start pushing the price again back up, to where they wanted it to be in the first place. And right now they are battling, or they are struggling with sellers are struggling with buyers are struggling with sellers. Buyers are the one who are trying to demand, like they want to accumulate more or buy this token right now at this price, while sellers are trying to push the price downward. Now we don't know who are gonna, who are, if say the sellers are the ones to win the battle, or the buyers. But I think the buyers are gonna win, because all fundamentals with Sweatcoin shows that it's going to the upside. So I think anyone who is placing a sell order here is gonna lose a lot of money doing this on Sweatcoin. So you don't want to be selling Sweatcoin right now. You want to be placing a buy order. You can see I'm already up, on Sweatcoin. I'm up already, and I have how many percent leverage? Let's see. I have here just $171, on this trades, and I'm already up $10 or like $9, $8, something like that. And I'm gonna take out profit. How many dollars? Let me see. At $17, I'm gonna take out profit, right? That will be 25.20. That's 9.96%. Okay, profit with this trade at what? How many x? That's 1.10x. I don't like to do high leverage. I love to do simple trading, so I can accumulate, I make money, gradually. I don't want to like do it fast, because if say you do it fast, you might end up losing lot of money in this industry. So this is exactly what I wanted us to discuss here today. I'm not going to take so much time. You say you didn't understand anything here, make sure you connect with me on my group. I'm going to be doing more trainings for those of you who want to do spot trading. You want to trade spot, you want to like do spot trading on Binance or Bybit. You're gonna like join my group, then I can take you further, because you cannot like learn everything in one day. It's always good to take some time to be familiar with the platforms. So that's why right now what you can do is join the platform by using my link below. You can join Binance or Bybit, but I always recommend now, like now, not always, like now, I recommend Bybit, because that's where I trade a lot. For Binance, you can do it with your phone. If say you are using your phone, then you can do it on Binance more. All right, guys, that's it for today. Make sure you go right now and smash the subscribe button if you see this content was helpful to you. But if still not, then still do something like. Okay, have a nice day and bye bye. See you next time.